We just finished up this 2022 Lunar Rock TRD Off-Road. I have to say I like it with the silver and the bumper in the front for the lower bumper garnishment. It looks really good, clean, subtle. So just kind of looks like a reflection or a shadow. But yeah, this has got our Westcott Designs preload collar lift in it. So it's 3 inches in the front and it is 1.25 inches in the rear. Just want to share this with you, see what your thoughts are. Obviously they picked us at a Raceline wheels. Ran a 285 7017 on this, and we did remove the mud flaps obviously, and we trimmed the lower fenders here in the front. But that is one of those kind of things you want to make sure you trim the fender here in the back. See if you can see our preload collar here. There it is at the bottom down there on the factory shock. Still has factory travel, no limitations there. So just wanted to share that with you. Hope you enjoy it. And if you got any questions or anything like that, does not affect the laser cruise control or the TSS on it, as long as it's done correctly. There's no recalibration needed or anything. There are a couple steps that we tell customers to make sure. Do not leave the key in the ignition in the on accessory mode, because when the car gets lifted off the ground, it senses that it's been in an accident. So that is one of those things you just want to make sure that you do not do. Or if it's a keyless go car, make sure the key is left out of the vehicle when doing the lift, so it doesn't think that it's been in an accident, and not in accessory mode, just completely away from the vehicle by 3 feet. So if you got any questions, give us a call. Thanks so much.